Want to know exactly what house ants are eating so you can bait them correctly. Offer small, controlled samples of different foods like grease, syrup, plain sugar, and a high-protein item such as cooked egg or peanut butter placed on separate index cards or non-absorbent spoons. And watch quietly for at least 30 minutes to an hour to see which sample attracts the most activity. Use only tiny amounts so you do not create large food sources that sustain the colony, and rotate sample placement to avoid location bias. When a preference appears, switch to a commercially available bait that matches that nutrient profile. Carbohydrate baits for syrup or sugar feeders, and protein or lipid baits for grease or egg-attracted ants. And choose slow-acting baits that allow workers to carry the poison back to the nest for colony-level control. Track the ants back from the winning sample by following single-file lines during low-activity times like early morning or late evening, and mark or note entry points where trails converge on baseboards, plumbing penetrations, or exterior weep holes. Reduce competing food sources by wiping counters with warm, soapy water, storing food in sealed containers, and removing pet food between feedings so the bait remains more attractive than household residues. Recheck bait attractiveness daily and replace or move baits as preference or trails change, because ant species and seasonal needs can shift their diet rapidly. One common mistake is offering too large a food sample which feeds, rather than tests, the colony. Use tiny portions and remove uneaten samples after your observation period. Another issue is selecting a fast-acting contact killer that kills workers before they share bait with the nest. Instead, use a delayed toxicity bait matched to the observed food preference. A third problem is ignoring the trail and entry points. If you do not follow where the ants go, you will miss nests and re-entry pathways. So always trace trails back to their origin and seal or treat those locations while maintaining baiting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can inspect entry points and advise on integrated ant management, and we connect contractors with work by listing projects and lead opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and other members exchange field notes about bait performance and ant behavior to help you make better choices.